First, I'll put down a blue. Then I'll go straight across like a clock and put the same blue. I'll leave a little of the pile of white left so that I can lighten the value later. I also do not use up all of the color by pulling it into the white because I want a range of values of that color. I'll have a darker value, and then I'll have a mid-range, and then I can use my white later in the painting to pull that as light as I want to. Cool, transparent on that side. I'll have a warm, transparent on that side.